Shot of that. Okay, now I request you to take a screenshot of that also, because that will give you a quick recall of the concept. Great. So coming back to that, change of a record and item in the SharePoint list. We have covered that, not difficult. Now coming on to create a new file in OneDrive. Then you get a mail intimation that you are creating a new thing here. So coming back with this one. Fine. And I'm coming with the again automated cloud flow. Skip this. So what exactly I'm looking for is which connector I need to search, guys, here, or maybe select here to start my automation. OneDrive, perfectly right, Rachel. It's a OneDrive. I click on OneDrive for Business. I said what to do when a file is created, when a file is modified, when a file is you created as a no and modify. So I'll work on created. So which folder you want to apply that? You can pick up that folder in the OneDrive. In the root, you have so many folder. So I will take a new folder. I'll just do one thing. I'll come to OneDrive. I click with the new folder. So it is my test data folder. So it is ready with me. Now it's better to work here. So now I'm come here and click here. So it's loading the root. It's my test data folder. So I'll make a folder. Whenever something would happen, I want to send information to the mail that this has happened. A new step. Again, I have to write a mail. What to do? Create a send a mail. To whom? I'll just take a static one, or maybe you can pick up from. I'm writing my mail just to check that, guys. You can write a dynamic mail from the data set. This is the subject. New file created in OneDrive. So I write here, hi, JP, new file created in OneDrive with following details. So you can send the details. No, what is that information you want? So the content type that you want to find out, you can check that. So I'm finding here a file identifier, file content type. I'll do one thing. I'll add some information here. Compose information. I'll take an input here. You can see the informations are coming here, guys. When I'm coming here and I'm coming here, the dynamic content is giving me only few information. When file is created, it is giving me, but when I'm picking with the help of compose, can you see this? All things are created. So I'll take, okay, what is the file name? Fine. I click here. And I'll make a compose also. One information more I can take. I can take the file content type. Are the two information I'm taking here, and the same information I'm taking here. So I can take compose output and compose. So what is a compose? It's a file name. So I write here file name and I pick the compose and I'll take a file type and I'll take a compose too. So great. I'm done with that. I'll save this, create file in one drive and make it save. Now guys, let's create something. So I come here, I am here. I'll say I want to create a new Excel file. I'll just create a sample data, something, and I save it. So it will be saved where? It will save in test data. Okay, waiting for the mail. Waiting for the mail because I have created that and I have saved that. No, it should come. Wait for a few seconds, whether we have saved it or not. It's already saved. Go to the test. It's created here in the test drive. Come to here. This is already saved. When a file is created, see the advanced option, including subfolder. No. Fine, I'm right here. Save it. Can we identify some error here? Test this manually. Test. It's working and I got a mail. To add a file in the select field. Okay, it's running at the back. I'll come to this. I'll add a new file as in Word document. I'll sample. I'll save it. I'll come to the mail. Oh, I got the second mail. The second file is created as a document.docs and it is throwing the mail. Yes, Rachel, it took some time, no mail issue. So it's great. Please try, guys. I think Rachel has tried already. It's working for Rachel. What about others? Please try this. Try this, guys. I have a call. I just try for a minute. So, guys, I hope it is working for you. Whenever you add some new document in the drive, it will give you an email message. That's an interesting thing. Now your task is there. So what is your task? Your task is to come here, to come with a new, please try OneDrive. Whenever you modified, whenever you modified a file, it should give you a message that this file has been modified. So kindly try this. Kindly try this and let me know the screenshot in the chat once you are done. Once you're done, please put the flow screenshot in the chat. So Rachel has again done this, waiting for email yet to come. Okay. Okay, Dan, no worries. You can take benefit from recording. Have you received the mail, Rachel, yet? And what about others who are working on that? Not yet. So I hope you're clear with the concept. You can easily do that. Great. Great. So this is how we can work on that. So coming on to the content. So whenever you create a new file or you modify the file in OneDrive, you will get a notification. We have done that, guys. We have done that. And so by that, my fifth module is completed. Any doubts, any query here? Now I'm coming with the schedule flow. The schedule flow. I think we can start the schedule flow now. If you are fine with that. Great. Thank you for participating. That will encourage me to actually work. Otherwise, I'll think that I have one recording session. No worries. I'm coming with the my flow and there is a new flow. So guys, what is a schedule flow? We have done this two types of flow today and tomorrow. Instant flow with the button click, automated flow with the help of some automation. Schedule flow is basically based on time. So you can schedule a particular time to do some task. So I click on schedule flow. Fine. You can come here and again say skip, or you can type here the flow name. My first schedule flow. So I want to start this flow today. By what time? I just choose the time here. So I want to start this flow as of now. My time, there's a 10 a.m. is okay. After how many times it is going to be repeat every after 1 minute, after every 1 day, after every 1 hour, after every whatever schedule you put. So I'll put a 1 minute so that I can see that. No, so I come with that and I click on create. It is a recurrence. Interval is after every 1 minute. Time zone, I can pick. It's taking my time zone. I'll take my time zone. So it's working fine. I click on new steps. So want to check whether it is working or not. I'm writing again a mail just to check that, because normally it is for a backing up or writing a email or picking up the value, something which can use. I write a mail here and I say I want to send an email to again. I have hotmail.com subject testing schedule flow, and writing here what exactly we need to write here is I click on to this and add an action. So I add data. So when I click on compose, do we have some other information? It does not have any other information. So I remove that. So what we can put here, guys, what is the best option? Hi, and I can put here some time zone. How can we take the current time step? It's a UTC now. I'm also putting a dynamic content here because I'm not picking up any file. UTC now. So I'll check that whether it is going to write an email after every a particular time or not. So let's see. Save it. So click on the test manual, test it, whether it is working or not. Oh, I got the mail. Yes, guys. Can we make it 1 second to check it in more interesting way? Okay, I'll just come here. Great. Edit it. After every 1 second. Save it. You are allowed to record at the most of every 60 seconds. So I cannot do that. I cannot do that. I have a 1 minute option. So 1 minute and 60 seconds are same. So we'll wait for another one. I got a mail. It is for 24 minutes. It is for 25 minutes. Another will come at 26 minutes. So guys, this is how you can do a scheduling. This is how you can do a scheduling. So it will automatically run. There is no event fire. There is no button click, but based on the time and interval you have given, maybe you can use that. If you want to find out a list of all the SharePoint values and you want to pick up the file after everyone, I got the third one, guys. It's a 20 second 6. Is this working? This is how you can create a schedule flow. As you have a do not have a SharePoint access, otherwise you can check with that, but that will be very time consuming. You can try this. You can try this on your machine. So I just show you the process. You can look at here and try this. Let me know guys in case of any query or once you are done.